Updating your billing plan on SunPower is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing plan is updated efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SunPower website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to billing section. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use the SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Review current plan. In the billing section, review your current billing plan details. Take note of any features or costs associated with your existing plan before making changes. Step 4. Select new plan. Browse the available billing plans offered by SunPower. Compare the options and select the one that best fits your needs. Click on the plan to view more details. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new billing plan, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. Review any terms and conditions, then submit your request to update your billing plan. Once you have completed these steps, your billing plan will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SunPower customer support for assistance.